Hello everybody and welcome back to another Minecraft video, and today I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about today's redstone circuit, the T flip-flop. Now this is the T flip-flop. It consists of 2 droppers, 1 comparator, and 1 hopper. The way it works is when an item is in the bottom dropper and the button gets pressed, the item moves up to the top dropper as both droppers are getting powered. Now when the item is in the top dropper, the comparator detects that it is there and sends out a redstone signal. Pressing the button while the item is in the top dropper causes it to get spat out, going into the hopper and back into the bottom dropper. The purpose of a T flip-flop is to convert button output to a lever output. For example, when I flick this lever once, the lamp stays on, but flicking it again will cause the lamp to turn back off. Same thing with the T flip-flop. Pressing the button once will cause the lamp to turn on, and then stay on, but pressing it again will cause the lamp to turn back off. Effectively, the T flip-flop is just a toggle and can be used for many things, such as a light switch. When using the T flip-flop in any of your redstone builds, it is important to add a repeater at the end that extends the signal strength to the full 15 blocks. Without the repeater, the signal strength only goes a measly 1, because there's only 1 item in the top dropper. Building one is very simple. Grab your droppers, place one facing up, shift, and place one facing toward you. Now, grab your hopper, shift, and place it facing into the bottom dropper, like so. Now, grab your comparator, come up to the top, shift, and have it facing away from the top dropper. Now, you're going to want to go grab an item. Take this item and throw it in the hopper. Now, grab a block, place it here, and then on top of that block, place a repeater. Now you can add your input. This can be a button, a repeater, or redstone dust, all facing into the top dropper. Activating your input, you should see that it turns on, and then activating again, you should see it turns back off. Now, this was the main design that people used for many years, until the introduction of the copper bulb in 1.21. The copper bulb is its own toggle in and of itself, working without any extra redstone. The copper bulb has the advantage of being a movable and toggleable light source. We can detect whether or not it is on by using a comparator and then a repeater. The copper bulb can be powered in any way, from repeaters to buttons and also to dust. Building one is super simple. All you have to do is grab your copper bulb, grab your input, and then grab a comparator facing out. And that's it. Anyways guys, that will be all. Thank you for watching today's episode, and I will see you again later. Bye!